Hi, I'm going to take you to the beautiful sunset in Mumbai. Let's go with me.
The best part is that obviously the metro station is just 5 minutes of walking from my apartment, and that is kind of very relaxation, obviously, because no extra travel is included here. Just have to walk 5 minutes and I'll reach. In order to reach Worli, we have to change two metros. So I have already changed one, and this is the second one, the underground one. And here I am. Usually, this underground metro take a lot of time, so I was waiting here, and then I just thought of shooting myself a little bit, and yeah, I this time did not get too much time to get ready. This is just the women coach. I always prefer to come here, and yeah, we have reached Worli almost. Yes, this is the last station. I mean, the one where need to get
वैसे तो हम
down.
काफ़ी लेट हो गए हैं बट ठीक है चल लेते हैं It's already 7 and it's actually good if you reach there by 6 or 6:30 but I am almost an hour late so but yeah it's okay we are still going there. So Worli Sea Face पहुंचने के लिए we need to go through this is a kind of a cave or something I don't know but yeah we have to go through this first in order to reach there so this is how it looks like. Yeah, I'm just alone here and when the first time when I came here it was kind of very scary to me because I was like oh my god what is this and I was almost very scared but yeah they do have cameras here and it's kind of very public and everyone use it whoever wants to go outside like want to cross the other side they'll have to go through this so yeah honestly it's kind of very crazy as well but yeah this is the only way and the only rasta that we have to cross in order to reach there so yeah we are almost there we are almost there.
So as soon as that cave ends, the staircase they starts, and there's lot of like stairs. You have to go through this as well. So after a point, I was almost losing my energy because obviously there were a lot of stairs.
So again you have to walk a lot because there's no um, direct cab available to reach there you will have to cross this all in order to reach there and it's kind of very crazy but yeah people are looking at me and they're like oh she's shooting yeah, oh. But yeah so again we're still walking and we're gonna reach there in just 10 minutes so yeah bear with me.
When I first time came to Worli, I was thinking that I will never come here again because there's lot of walking that I need to do. But I always feel this urge to come here again and again because the place is such beautiful and the kind of satisfaction and relaxation that you feel is just
So while
amazing.
you cross the entire place, you can go through this. You'll get this park also. It's a very small park, and uh, this park is also kind of linked to the bridge that we will have to reach. So yeah, this is that park.
From here, the sea face is just probably just 2 minutes or 3 minutes distance from here, and this is quite exciting because you just after walking so much, you are going to get such a pretty view. Here also, I am walking and walking,
You have
and
no
yeah.
idea what you're going to witness because that place is beyond beauty. I remember the first time when I went there, I was almost in the awe moment because I was like, I have never ever in my entire life hasn't seen something this. That's Worli, guys. This is what I'm talking about. We are almost there. We are just almost there. And here are some boys, they are playing cricket as usual. I've seen them playing cricket all the time here. And it's good to see kids playing their favorite sport. And while you are here to witness a very beautiful sunset. The amount of satisfaction, the amount of happiness that I feel after coming here, I cannot describe into words, because just see, if I'm able to capture, it's the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. And probably it's not really clear right now, but yeah, we are almost there. In just 2 minutes we are reaching there. Finally, we are here. We are here almost. Oh my god, I'm so excited.